Let's talk about Class 4 laser therapy for foot pain and one of the most effective and advanced treatment for plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, diabetic neuropathy, and many other foot conditions, but is often not covered by insurance. Here's why. Class 4 laser therapy is considered a type of advanced or experimental therapy by many insurance companies, which is usually not covered. Despite its effectiveness in helping your own body to reduce pain, reduce inflammation, and help your body to heal the damaged tissue naturally. Insurance companies often require a lot of clinical evidence and data, but this is not possible for many laser companies as you need thousands of people in the study and a lot of funds to support the study. On average, the cost for a single session of Class 4 laser therapy for foot pain can range from $75 to $200, depending on the type of the laser machine that will be used, the location, the type of condition, the severity of the condition, and the treatment duration. Class 4 laser therapy is one of the amazing treatments that can help your own body to naturally repair your own damaged tissue instead of all other traditional treatment that cannot do that. Drugs, medication, cortisone injection, physical therapy, and even surgery doesn't help your own body and immune system to naturally repair your own damaged tissue, delaying treatment for plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, diabetic neuropathy. These conditions get stuck in chronic inflammation and make it harder for your own body to heal it on its own with Class 4 laser therapy effectively later on. Stay healthy and take care of your feet.